Ooh. I believe that when it comes to sex, the better you understand the other person, the better it feels. Ah! She rubbing the inside of the hands. It's erection time. But it's hard to understand how someone else feels. Bruh. So start with observing the hand carefully. She about to school this man in eroticism. How long are their fingers? She got experience. Oh! Are their palms cold? I thought she was gonna start jerking his hand off. Are they warm? What's the shape of their ear? I need some Italiano hentai right now. Ever had your finger bitten? Remember this.